how to do HTML coding on mobile. So this allows you to select the language that you want, okay, and then we have HTML. So after selecting it, over here, this is your coding environment, okay, and then you can start coding right on your mobile phone. So let me introduce you to this, okay. So this tool is Gemini Coding Studio. It was customly built. You have the option to come and then select the language that you want to code in, okay, is by clicking on the down arrow, and over here we have HTML. So since we want to code with HTML, simply going to select HTML. So after selecting it, you see from here that HTML is selected, and then this is your coding environment, okay. So you can simply come and then start coding right on your mobile phone, okay, by simply doing all the codes yourself, okay, if you want to do it, because we have the other alternative whereby you can use Gemini to assist you to write all your codes by simply asking it to do exactly what you want. So when you come here to Gemini Assistant, you can simply come here to this box and then ask it to write anything that you want. So let's say I wanted to write an HTML code for me to build my app. What I have to do is simply give it the instruction and come and click on generate code, and that is it. Within a second, Gemini is going to write the codes for me, okay. So that is it. After everything, you can edit it, you can remove something from it and then add your own. And you can simply come and then click on copy full project, and then you can use your code anywhere that you want. I'm having how to get this tool in the video description down below. Click on it and then get it.